Hi everyone, I'm with Mr. PK himself. This is the point of view shot on the Meta glasses, and we're looking at the launch of C20 from Blue Armor. Over to you, PK.
Awesome. So before I show you the product, first things first, 7,000 rupees you can get an intercom if you order before next Sunday. So with that background, let's see what the C20 is. Here you see everything that goes into the box. At the very center with the hero effect is the actual device. So this is the device itself, very sleek, borrows from the C50 family, gunmetal finish, sporty look with the carbon fiber theme, but the plastics, except mold, everything is reused from the C50 because for production maturity, for refinement, so on and so forth. Right? You're used to the click dog, the hardness, everything stays the same. We are going with a very reuse methodology when it comes to the plastic, when it comes to manufacturing. When it comes to features and same way mounts on the back of the helmet
That you just have to pick it out and you can charge it like the C50.
Correct, you can charge
Absolutely.
it exactly like the C50, right? Now in terms of capabilities, we think of the C50 in terms of maybe 3-4 different ways. We've tried to retain the capabilities, just dial down for performance or dial down for features where we think it's appropriate. IP67, yes. Bluetooth 5.3, yes. HD audio, yes. Upgradable firmware through OTA, yes. Crash detection, yes. Good wind noise cancellation with 2 levels, yes. Interoperable with C30, C50, yes. What else? Can you upgrade with the MacDock? Yes. Can you upgrade with a T-Stick? Yes. All of this is yes. Does it have mesh intercom? Yes. Can I now ride with 4.5C20s with positioning this as a mesh intercom device? Yes. Will this work with a C50 group? Yes. Will it work with a C30 group? Yes. Suppose I have one more C20 or C50, can I get music sharing? Yes. Lots of yeses, all at 7,000 rupees.
Absolutely fantastic. So the MRP, as I understand, is
MRP
9999.
Until next Sunday, 3,000 rupees off as the launch offer, 6999 until June 22nd.
Great. So for all the viewers who are going to be looking at this particular video, make sure that you buy your C20 at under 7,000 rupees and avail of the fantastic early bird offer.
Great, awesome. So just want to repeat that. It has all the capabilities of the C50 family, but the features are dialed down. So it's not the same as the C50. Features are dialed down. A lot of things that are common, some things that are reduced.
Okay.
Look at our presentation, but if you want that 7,000 price point, until next Sunday.
Okay, great. So for all the viewers watching this on Instagram, I'm going to put up the image so that you can see the difference between the C20 and the C50, and you can make your decision, which is, in my opinion, a very good product to go in for at a very reasonable price. So grab it while you can. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. PK.
Cheers.
Pleasure.